916 million people work in agriculture worldwide, and each harvest is a story of human effort, machines, and impressive scale.
In today's video, we'll go through 30 of the most impressive harvests ever recorded. More than 70% of U.S. orange production comes from Florida.
But behind these endless fields is the arduous labor of millions of immigrant workers. Each ripe, juicy orange is picked with a firm twist and drops into the bag. When the bag is full, they empty it into the large bins waiting nearby and return to the dense foliage. "73% of the agricultural workforce in the United States is made up of immigrants. Thanks to them, millions of oranges are harvested every day, sustaining a billion-dollar industry.
Another important state in American agriculture is California, the world's strawberry capital.
Supplying 85 to 90% of American strawberry production and a huge portion to the entire world. But to have those little boxes of red, juicy strawberries, farmers need to bend over for hours on end along each row of land. To relieve pressure on their backs and knees, they use harvesting support platforms. The picker lies prone on the board, reaching out to select ripe strawberries, while the vehicle slowly advances.
It's a simple but very effective solution.
Next, we go to the state of Jalisco in Mexico, where almost 99% of the world's tequila is produced. But it all starts in the rough agave fields, with workers known as jimadores. In their hands is the long-handled koa with a sharp, round blade. With a few precise movements, the agave plant is felled. Layer by layer of spiny leaves is trimmed. The root collar is cut. The blade cuts deep, revealing the large, round core called piña. The piñas, weighing dozens of kilos each, are taken to the distillery. The remaining leaves are discarded or composted to return nutrients to the soil. Unlike agave, lettuce is cultivated in 106 countries around the world. In the field, farmers use knives to precisely cut each head without bruising the leaves. Those that meet the standard are placed in the packing area, ready for the journey to factories and supermarkets. Nowadays, many large farms use giant harvesting machines. The machine slowly glides through the rows, with sharp blades cutting each head uniformly.
The lettuce is carried by an upper conveyor for initial cleaning, while workers on both sides carefully inspect, keeping only the most perfect heads.
Next destination, tea plantations in Japan. The tea market there is expected to reach over 112.8 thousand tons in 2025.
And 167,000 tons in 2034. Behind this growth are tea fields harvested with almost absolute precision. A wide structure envelops the entire row of tea bushes, ensuring no young shoots are lost. At the center is the high-speed rotary blade system, which cuts exactly the tender part.
The cut tea is vacuumed and transferred to the collection bag at the back. The entire process happens in a rhythmic and organized manner. Unlike many other crops, avocado is generally harvested manually.
The American market alone consumes between 1.27 and 1.36 billion kilograms of avocado per year,
creating enormous pressure on farms. Farmers use hydraulic lifts to raise themselves to the top of the trees. This way, they can carefully observe and choose the fruits at the exact point of ripeness. The combination of lifting technology and an experienced eye ensures that every harvested avocado has uniform quality.
We are now in the Veneto region, Italy, the country's largest wine grape production area, with about 1.4 million tons per year.
Instead of manually picking each bunch, many wineries use vine-shaking machines. The giant machine moves along the perfectly aligned rows, applying vibrations sufficient to make the ripe grapes fall into the collection trays below,
without damaging the plants.
When the trays fill, the operator empties everything into large containers. The grapes fall like a purple rain, ready for processing. Unlike many crops harvested in a single season, tobacco is cut in 3 to 5 waves per year. This means farmers have almost no time to rest.
The entire plant is fed directly into the machine for processing. With high speed and continuous operation, each machine can harvest about 2 hectares per day. In Brazil, watermelon is cultivated all year round. That's why the country's annual production reaches almost 2 million tons.
Watermelon harvesting requires a lot of endurance and persistence. Farmers gently twist the stem to separate the fruit from the vine. Workers form a long line and pass the heavy watermelons hand to hand under the strong sun. Watermelons are stacked in the truck beds. After a day of intense work, the entire field is clean, ready to be transported to markets.
Next product, cotton. World cotton production this year is projected at about 26 million tons.
To handle this immense volume, cotton harvesters are indispensable. The machine can process 6 rows at the same time.
Rotating metal spindles continuously spin, wrapping the white fibers and pulling them cleanly from the plant.
Next destination, lemon orchards laden with fruit. World lemon production for the 2025-26 season is forecast at about 10.1 million tons. But to achieve this volume, each lemon needs to be harvested with absolute care. Workers move slowly along each row, carefully observing the peel color and fruit firmness. When harvesting, they twist the stem to release it from the branch, instead of pulling hard.
Each lemon falls perfectly into the basket. When the basket fills, they are taken to central collection points, where hundreds of other lemons are already waiting.
In Japan, there's an apple preservation method that seems almost contradictory. No cold storage. Instead, they are buried under snow throughout the winter. Apples are picked from trees and carefully placed in containers. A wooden lid is placed on top, the gaps sealed with branches to prevent melted water infiltration.
Then, tarps cover the containers and a thick layer of snow, up to 50 centimeters, is accumulated on top.
Under this thick white layer, the apples are naturally preserved for half a year without artificial refrigeration, maintaining crispness and developing an
Amidst the tranquil lotus fields in Vietnam, farmers enter the search for a hidden treasure beneath deep layers of mud.
This treasure is none other than the lotus root, a delicious and nutritious agricultural product.
Farmers enter the mud, feeling their way with each step. They use bare hands or small tools to probe any excessive force can break the root in half and reduce its value.
The work usually happens on sunny days, when the soil is easier to dig and the roots are at the ideal point of firmness and crispness.
After being removed from the mud, the lotus roots are washed, sorted, and sent to market.
Another famous agricultural product in Vietnam is jackfruit. In the first 9 months of 2020-2025,
To harvest this fruit, farmers use sharp knives to cut the stem from the branch. For high fruits, they need to climb the tree. After being lowered, the fruits are laid down with the stem facing down so that the sap drains naturally. When the sap subsides, Each fruit is loaded onto vehicles, ready to begin its journey as a multi-million-dollar export product. Next, let's see how European farmers harvest sugar beet. For the 2025-26 season, EU sugar beet in the field, the harvester operates continuously. The front, with rotating blades, quickly cuts the green leaves. Immediately after, the specialized unit descends, penetrates deep into the soil, and gently lifts each sugar beet from the ground. Once lifted, the sugar beets are carried by a conveyor belt attached to the machine's body. The conveyor leads them to a large container that runs parallel alongside. On 80-meter-high cliffs in Nepal, people hang in the air just to collect honey. Some honey hunters have already fallen into the abyss and were never found.